Hey, good morning, everyone. Just doing a quick update here, looking over some of the charts I want to see this week. So let's get into it. Let's start with Bitcoin. Um, Looks like on the daily on Friday, uh, we got a bullish arrow, which is a good thing. It's also support at this old all-time high here. So I see this being a good thing. If we can hold this level, um, I think we go much higher after this. Um, I have a feeling that maybe we come down to 106 and then go, but we'll see. So just I'd keep this level here as your stop, 108.3. Um, but look at the trends. I just want to show you from all these previous times before Bitcoin really launched. Uh, put in a high, lower low, lower high, and people are like, "Oh man, fourth lower, third lower low, we're dropping. This is the top. It's over." That's not the case. It flushed people out and then it ripped. Same thing happened here. You know, they put in this low, this low, this low. They psyched us out, but then boom. Or you can look, you know, even here they put in this low, a lower low. We're like, okay, we're going down. Nope, they ripped it. Here again, a lower low. Usually you want to see a higher, but I think they're trying to shake people out. So it's the same thing's happening here. Maybe we get it again. So don't be surprised if it comes down like say 106 and we test this lower channel again. But this is strong support here. And if the buyers can hold this line, I really think we're ready to go by Christmas. Up 130, breakthrough, all time high, and have a good run. So there's my quick analysis on Bitcoin. It's nice to see this arrow here. Last time, we got a green arrow up, green arrow went up. So nice indicator. And we'll just take a quick look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so that looks good as well. Two bullish indicators here. At a key support level, which gives us even higher odds. Again, it's just odds, right? We got to keep that mindset that this isn't guaranteed. We should be trading. We should be hitting these trades. Like look at this setup here. You get the indicator here at this little sun star here, meaning this we got this completion of this bearish pattern. If it breaks this XA level, we really should almost be out. And it played out. Went straight down to target two. We maybe would have thought about buying it here. We'd still be holding, but I mean, then you wouldn't have had this down. You wouldn't have had this. So we gotta always keep in mind that we gotta listen to the software and we gotta listen to the trends. Keep the right mindset. I've traded for 5 years, mostly emotionally. It's only the last year, maybe even half a year, that I've been trading without emotions or trying to. So I'm creating these videos to help not only someone else learn, but also help myself while, talking about this and, trying to get this mindset engraved in my head. Yeah. Let's just take a quick look at gold. Uh, we'll go to the daily. So here we're getting a bearish pattern that completed. We're overextended, so maybe it's a good time to just relax on gold. People are gonna think it's gonna go to this harmonic optimum price or 4,000. It definitely can. So there's not much upside here in gold, you know, but it's a good trend indicator. It kind of leads the trend. So hopefully we see other assets hit their all-time highs like Bitcoin here in the near future. And silver's awesome. I do hold a lot of silver. Um, Kind of started picking it up during the pandemic, and you never knew what was going to happen there. And Just kind of more of an insurance policy. So like, yeah, I was picking up back here 2020 on this whole accumulation phase here around $23, and what a great investment. It's doubled now. So pretty cool to see um, that something physical, uh, metal, can do that. It's a lot of money is being poured into the system. Like gold is it was, I think, a $10 trillion market cap back here. I think now it's over $20 trillion. So it's crazy to think that 10 trillion in a year just popped up. Bitcoin, what is it, around a $2 trillion asset right now, and people are saying it could be as much as gold. Well, gold went from 10 to 20 trillion. It's crazy. We were like Bitcoin can maybe hit 10 trillion, but it, gold went up by 10 trillion in a year. So we gotta think that there's a lot of money out there right now that can move these markets. I mean, Nvidia is like a $4 trillion company, which is more than a market cap of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is global; it's being adopted worldwide. Um, there's no reason we don't see 10 trillion on Bitcoin, which would probably be around 500,000 price point, right? You know, if it were to catch up with gold, it'd probably be $1 million. Uh, so we just got to keep that in the back of our mind. I know it doesn't help with our trading, but it helps with our trend analysis. So pretty interesting. And we're going to look at HIVE because I know on the video last time I was showing that, oh, it broke above 4. It's super bullish. We got the highest daily candle close. Yeah, it had a bad open the next day. So really we should have got out of our trade, but there's nothing you can do really. So this doesn't look good anymore. You know, it's probably come back down to here, back down, test this trend line. I know like a lot of other assets did. Did Bitfarms come down and test that line? It did. So it was up like 40% off this all-time trend line, and it came all the way back down and tested it. So can that happen with Hive? Sure. Um, Come back to this terminal bar, $3. So we just got to be careful. Even though it had the highest daily candle close, um, yeah. Let's see if there's any setups on the lower time frames. Nothing yet on the 15. The 5, really, it's hard to tell. Yeah. So yeah, we just got to be careful. Like I said in the other video, Hive was a good hold when it's above $4 because then it's blue skies, right? Probably to this heart line to 550. But below $4, it has all the want and trend to come back down, test this level, and then test this level. So below 4, we shouldn't be holding it, and above 4, should get back in. Now, say time goes by, it comes all the way down here. Now we're probably thinking, well, it sets up a structure or a pattern. Now our price level from holding to not holding is probably going to be $3, where we want to hold it above $3 and below $3, we don't want to hold it because then it comes back down, test $2. So, and this all happened really quick. Like this was just August. It was trading at a $2 stock, went all the way to 4. So it was a quick double. Yeah. So let's just wait here. Really, this dollar gain from 4 to 3, it's pretty much gambling. There's no actual setup here. There's no risk management. We should have got all out at 4. I'm still holding at least half my shares because, I just being honest, I saw that as a bullish strength. I thought Bitcoin was going to go up, but yeah, it's still consolidating, trying to shake more people out. But in the long term, run, I still believe we're all going up. But let's try and manage our risk on the way up and on the way down. And yeah, those are the levels. So I think that's all I'm going to talk about today. I don't want to keep the videos too long. But again, if anyone's watching these, let me know if you want me to look at any of your stocks or talk about anything else. Yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe if you made it this far. That'd be great. See you guys next time.